Morning, family. Good morning, friends and family. Got another garden update for you. I was able to find the rest of my corn seed because I knew I had bought more seed, and I found those 2 packs of seed when I was looking for my watermelon seeds this morning. So just wanted to give you an update on that. Turn my camera around. So looks like it's going to rain. While I was planting, I did get one more row. So instead of 3 rows, now I got 4 rows over here. I got 3 more rows right out here that I'm going to plant the rest of this seed. So we're going to have 7 rows of corn. So we're going to have plenty of corn. But also, there's the chickens over there. Also, I did some more planting just to show you. Let me move this stuff out the way. Oh, this stuff right here, these are the collards. So we're going to have 4 collard plants, collard green plants. But right in here, I have planted my squash. So I have a regular squash, and this is a special squash that my wife wanted. So we got those planted, and of course we got everything over here growing. Didn't want to be on here long. I know ain't nobody on. And here's my chickens. They over there doing their thing. But just wanted to update you guys on what else is going on over here at the Bunbury farm. Again, encourage you to grow some food. My wife shared something with me today. Thanks for the likes. That when she was reading Proverbs today, I think it was in Proverbs 23, talking about, of course, don't entertain fools and evil people. But one thing that she got from it was, be careful the food that you eat from people like that, because if they're evil people and they're putting their hands on this food and you put that in your body, that can be something that's detrimental. So that's a little bit of advice. And as always, guys, if you get a chance, go on over to our channel, Bountiful Harvest with Joe and Keesa. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you can see when we're... All right, we'll see you in the next video.